1853, connect to Darwin 28.8.
28.8, American 1863.
Short 6702, reduce speed to 170.
Reduce speed 170, North Level 6702.
Southwest 3356, turn left 360, intercept the localizer 210 knots.
210 speed, 360 on the head, and intercept the localizer, Southwest 3356.
2 o'clock.
626, get the fill.
It's nice, JetBlue 626.
626, clear visual 33 left, 160
traffic
knots,
inside.
5 mile final.
160 knots, 5 mile final, clear visual approach 33 left, JetBlue 626.
Oh, short 6702, turn main 230.
Right, I think 230, North Level 6702.
230 on the heading.
230, check heading select.
170.
170 speed, Southwest 3356.
626, tower 28.8.
28.8, JetBlue 626.
Oh, 3356, turn back right, heading 030, tower needs a hold for
Can you
departure.
give me an extended from cause, please?
Yes, sir.
170 speed, 030, heading, Southwest 3356.
Thank you.
Short 6702, phone traffic 2 o'clock, 3.5 miles, 3,000, send in JetBlue 190.
That's traffic inside.
Short 6702, runway 33 left, maintain 179.
Yeah, sorry, you're blocked.
Short 6702, follow the E190, clear visual approach 33 left, 179.
Okay, clear visual approach, follow in the traffic, North Level 6702.
All right, clear visual.
Hey, firm. L-toll.
44 checking in, 10.5, sending via.
So he's about 3 miles now, so we wouldn't want to get any closer.
Yeah.
32744.
Was it a JetBlue?
I think it's this one here.
Yeah, is that,
Yeah, I
is
don't
that a
know.
320? It's medium, no?
I don't see anybody else here.
So 3356, flying 070, maintain 3000.
070, descend at 3000, Southwest 3356.
West North Shuttle 6702, stay turn inbound, clear visual 33 left.
Turning inbound, North Level 6702.
Shuttle 6702, connect down 128.8.
128.8, North Level 6702, the plane.
Gonna start off with ILS here because we're pretty close to that guy.
Shuttle North Level 6702, good morning.
Shuttle 6702, Boston Tower,
Four lock.
E190, 8 mile final. Wind 330 at 12. Traffic holding on a crossing runway 33 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 33 left, North Level 6702.
Clear line, 33
he's
left.
3 miles, we have 4 lock, runway heading.
Very
I
good.
guess, if you want.
Sorry?
Do you want the runway heading?
Yeah, sure. Well, not much visual today then.
JetBlue 781, runway 27 clear for takeoff.
Takeoff T7, JetBlue 781.
Of 800 Boston Tower, traffic 2 mile, final cross, runway 33 left at Delta.
Cross 33 left at Delta 800.
So they are departing 27. That's just the intersection, right? Let's have a quick look.
Quarter 939, turn left Foxtrot, cross, runway
More
4
or
right.
less.
Hold short, runway 4 left.
Bad live.
Western Foxtrot cross, 4 right, hold short of 4 left, quarter 99.
It's a beautiful beach down here.
That's fantastic.
Quarter 939, contact ground, point nunner.
Ground point 9, quarter 99.
Glad so captured.
Thank you. 3,000 for the mist.
3,000
800, runway
checks.
27, will line up and wait.
Line up away, runway 27, Delta 800.
Shuttle 781, contact departure. Good morning.
Departure JetBlue 781 with you.
$2,500.
All right, live. Altimeter 3034.
3034. Yeah, I wanted us at 170 knots, so I'm going to keep that for a little bit more.
Checked.
Yeah, so much headwind, so it shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah.
What a nice view.
Do you still see him?
Yeah, barely.
Southwest 1296, Boston Tower, cross, runway 33 left at
1,000 feet, just like just above the threshold there.
And there's traffic to cross the runway, I think.
Yeah, I don't-
Yeah, I can see him now. He's
Hold short,
yeah.
runway
he's crossing
4
now, I
left.
think.
Contact ground point nunner.
We're gaining a little bit on. I'm going to read.
Port left American 1863.
Yeah, he's off the runway now.
56 extended final, 33 left.
American 1863.
Yeah, but we have one more than that.
And landing, yeah. Very good.
Delta 3356 Boston Tower, Boeing 737, 5 mile final.
Shall we slow down now?
7 departure prior to you. Continue.
Continue, 3356, up left.
Hold off. He's 2.5 miles now.
Yeah, let's go gear down, flaps 15. Landing checklists to flaps.
So, when you're ready, cabin call.
Given.
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brakes.
Arm.
Landing gear.
Is
Holding mirror.
down.
And holding in flaps.
All right. Let's go flaps 30 and complete the checks. 151, right? Yeah.
Plus 10, yeah. So that's 151, yeah. So, flaps 30, set flaps.
30, green light.
Landing checklist complete, the crew seated, and we are clear to land with traffic on the runway.
1,000.
1,000
Check.
feet stabilized. I think
He wasn't fast, was he?
it's an Emirates.
Delta 800, traffic 2 mile final. To the crossing runway, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, Delta 800.
That's just cool. He's giving him clear for takeoff, yeah.
Runway, traffic landing, crossing runway.
You gotta love the States.
626, turn left Foxtrot, cross runway 4 right, hold short runway 4 left.
Foxtrot, cross 4 right, hold short 4 left at the 6.
Beautiful. All right. Land in flight. Disconnecting autopilot.
500.
Check. Contact.
500.
Triple 620.
400.
0.9.
0.9, 56.6.
300. Approaching minimums.
Clear to land.
Minimums.
Contact departure, good day.
200.
Delta 800, good day.
100.
240 heavy, runway 33 left, line is in wait. Traffic 6
50.
mile final. Traffic will
40.
the crossing runway.
30. 20.
Wait, over at
10.
40.
Speed brake. Up.
Southwest, squad 92.
Two reversers, idle.
Traffic holding crossing runway.
Safe for takeoff, 277, 1290.
2675 Boston Tower, traffic hold in position, cross runway 33 left at Delta.
And the brakes.
Cross runway 33 left at Delta, Delta 2675.
I'm going to take this one here just to get off the runway.
Oh, which one is this? Quebec?
I think so.
Yeah. That's a smart idea. And hold short the next runway, please.
No shuttle 6702, turn left there. Cross runway 4 left, contact ground point 9.
Okay, take a left turn here, Quebec. Cross runway 4 left and contact ground point 9 at North Shuttle 6702.
Clear to cross, ground point 9, check.
731,
Hey, Farrell.
7, Mike.
Clear right.
And clear left.
Ground North Shuttle 6702. We're crossing the runway 4 left now, and we have Echo 3 Alpha to stand.
Show 6702, Boston, join out. Christian, join Alpha to the gate behind the JetBlue.
Okay, behind the JetBlue, join Alpha to the gate, North Shuttle 6702. You're ATC.
Yep.
Delta 731, spot 7, Mike.
So the 731, runway 27, taxi via Kilo.